peoples? Welcome back to Hi Black Girl, a channel where we live our life at our highest potential, both financially, physically, emotionally, spiritually, all the leads you want to throw in there. So if that sounds like you, go ahead and make sure you click that subscribe button. Okay, but anyway, guys, I literally just woke up and I was like, let me film this try-on haul, because if I don't film it today, I don't think I'm ever gonna do it, because literally like last night I wanted to wear one of the outfits to teach, but I was like, if I were to teach, then it's gonna be sweaty after, then I'm gonna have to wash it, then I'm gonna air dry it, and it's just bloop, 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 bloop. It's gonna waste too much time. So let's just get right into it.
I'm about to hit the streets up, and the strip looking lit, about to heat up. Llegó la mami que todo desespera, te deja boca abierta cuando esta negra llega. What up? They're trying to keep up, but they're just too slow. They think that I'm the one, but they just don't know. I'm always ballin', I've been doing my thing, no tengo por qué hacer yo. Don't get it twisted, don't think I'm that type of chick. No. Bam, 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 bam. Head banger, banger. You ready?
Baby, when you see me giving Jeff Bezos my coins, don't say shit to me. Don't say shit to me. This right here, bruh. I really thought it was gonna be some bullshit. Like, I thought the end of this video was gonna be like, yes, it's so worth it to invest in quality pieces. I thought the shit was gonna be see-through. Girl, and if you are watching this video, I highly, highly, highly recommend just get the Amazon stuff. Unless you are a yoga instructor, then you can get like 25% off sale in Lululemon and 25% off full price items, and also 25% full price items at Alo Yoga by doing the pro program. I'll leave all the details down there below. But if you're on a budget, girl, if you want to save those coins and look cute while doing it and feel comfortable and feel great, like, just get the Amazon sets. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.